Lovelies, welcome to my page, and today we're going to do a product review on a company called Endlyess Indo. Now you can kind of imagine what that company is about. It is a holistic smoke shop for you smokers out there, and these are some things I ordered. I didn't get everything I ordered, it's still in transit, but from the things that I did order, here's what I got. So I got a airtight container. Look at that, and it's all nice and sturdy. Guarantee no smell, no none of that. I also got these nice rose cones, and they smell so good. I can't wait. And I love this jar. Like, this jar is everything. It's super cute, but simple at that though. So simple and cute. And last but not least, I got my sage, which is going to help me balance all my 7 chakras. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that in my car because I have a bigger one. So be sure to check out Endlyess Indo, because from what I see right now, yeah, most definitely. I mean, it's not even all of the stuff that I ordered, but I'm excited with this so far. And I'll also do a part 2 for the rest of the stuff that I ordered from Endlyess Indo as well. Bye.